Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making taco flavored chicken wings. This is so easy and delicious. The air fryer that I will be using today is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. With that, let's go ahead and get started. In my bowl, I have a pound of wings. I have the flats and the drumettes. I'm going to start off by coating these chicken wings with taco sauce. Use your favorite taco sauce or hot sauce. And if you want, you can leave this out altogether. That was probably about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to mix that all in well. Now I'm going to go in with the taco seasoning. I made my own. If you're interested in that recipe, I will leave it down in the description for you, or you can use your favorite taco seasoning packet. I'm going to start off with a good tablespoon. Mix that all in. Now you can add as much or as little of the taco seasoning as you like. Now that looks good to me. Now you can pop these in the air fryer right now as is, or you can let it marinate for a while in your refrigerator. That is what I'm going to do today. The wings are out of the fridge and into the air fryer basket. I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to flip these wings over. All flipped, ready to go back into the air fryer. I might just let these go 5 more minutes, giving us a total of 15 minutes because these wings are smaller this time around. Okay, we are 5 minutes in on the other side. I took a temp on these. These are ready. This was a total of 15 minutes. Keep in mind again, these wings are pretty small. All right, I have the wings all plated up. Take a taste. The chicken is tender, juicy. That taco seasoning with this is delicious. If you're interested in more chicken recipes, right here is my playlist of all of my air fryer chicken videos. The video below that is whatever YouTube thinks you would be interested in watching next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.